you want your kids to listen the first time you ask, set up with practice. Let's use your kids not turning off their device as an example. Set up and practice. From now on, guys, when the timer goes off in 30 minutes, the TV goes off, or you're telling me that tomorrow you don't want to have your opportunity.
So say my toddler's about to climb up on a table. Instead of saying, "Don't climb up on the table," all they're gonna hear is, "Climb up on the table." That "don't" disappears out of their mind. You wanna say either, "Hey, feet on the floor," tell them what you want them to be doing. "Feet on the floor, please." Or completely distract them and direct their attention elsewhere. So like, "Hey, do you see that book? Can you bring Mama that book? Let's read it together." This works for anything. Say your toddler's yelling. Instead of telling them, "Don't yell," say, "Hey, let's talk in our quiet voices. We're inside. We need to be quiet." Tell them what you want instead of what you don't.
Ensure comprehension. So ask your child if they understand what you had just said. In the medical field, 40 to 80% of the information that the doctor relays to the patient is completely misunderstood or forgotten. So can you imagine what happens with the parent-to-child relationship? So the Teach Back method has really helped the child to understand what the parent's expectations are.
Gestures to help them understand. Very short attention span, so it can be really hard to pay attention. This is why your toddler's not listening. You're using too many words. When you're giving your child direction, make sure to keep them short and concise. Add a gesture if you want to help convey some meaning.